Through our day 3 neuromuscular stabilization for our lower extremity. We have our 4 corners with the Bosu. First progression is going to be hitting the Bosu with 1 foot and then hitting in multiple directions. So it's like this. I do 2 sets of 6 per limb.
Okay.
It's going to be self-determined or auto-regulated about how quickly I progress. Meaning, like, if I can do 2 sets of 6 without any losses of balance, then I'm able to progress. First progression is going to be going a little bit further. So I'm a little bit further strided out. Second, if I can do 2 sets of 6, I'm going to then come in on the next subsequent bout. I'm going to do eyes blinking or rapid as quickly as I can, same thing. Set 4, level 4, is that I'm going to be doing it a little bit more aggressively. So I'm either further back and or doing it with more intensity, eyes still blinking. The directions that you're going to do is you're going to do forward, backwards, side, the diagonal, where I'm hitting with the Bosu like this, and coming back. Excuse the fault. And then the other diagonal where I'm coming across and hitting them.
Okay, try 3 more. 1.
Again, we're going to do 2 sets per limb. Band option.
All right, this next one might be fun. Let's see if you're ready for it or not.
You're gonna have. It's gonna be a merit-based progression, depending on like what you self-determine. Okay, I was stable there. I was unstable. Eventually, you're gonna if you skimp, it's gonna reveal itself in future progressions. Okay, then we went through our squat with an asymmetrical load. So one-sided, eyes open. If I'm solid there, I'm going to go blinking. If I'm really solid there, then I'm going to go eyes closed. Additional progressions that we discussed was adding in self-perturbations with either a press or a curl. We then did the same thing with deadlift. Eyes open, eyes rapidly blinking, eyes closed. Okay? The duration of these sets, whenever I'm standing on the Bosu, is going to be however long it takes me to count down from 100 from serial 7s. I'm going to vary that number, either 5, 7, 3, 9. Usually our brains think a little bit more difficult with the odd numbers. And starting not at 100, but starting at 99, 98, 97, etc. to just challenge myself. It gives us a cognitive task on top of the motor task that we're otherwise training. We then went into a single leg stance. With this one we had a band on, and band is welcome with any of these. Single leg balance. We then did single leg squatting. Again, band on. We did single leg deadlifts. Same progression. If stable, I'm able to go from 100 to 0 with my numerical counting. Then I'm gonna, without any faults, I'm gonna rapidly blink. If I can do that, I'm gonna go eyes closed, which is good on you if you're doing that. Great. And then the last one that we did was going into multiple planes. We're standing in the center of the P symbol. We're reaching this way. We're reaching that way. We're reaching back. Again, if I'm good, I can add the band, I can blink, and then I can close my eyes. That's providing compromise to the visual system, forcing my central nervous system to attune and refine itself to the proprioceptive information that's coming up from the limb that we know is compromised after injury and or surgery. If my time is limited and I can't do 3 sets per limb, or I'm like really struggling with my math that day, it takes me really long, fine, no trouble. You can go 1 set per limb. That's better than not doing it at all. You want variety of training. You don't have to structure it the same way each time. You can even do like a circuit where I do 1 set where the Bosu's flipped over. I'm hitting it here. I'm hitting it there, good. And then I flip over the Bosu, go through 1 set, and then repeat. So mix and match the variety and the transfer of task and skill set that is most paramount with this, rather than just sets and repetitions.
Good.